सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम। Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 20th verse. Arjuna is now describing what is happening when the cosmic form of Sri Krishna has been manifested by Sri Krishna. When Sri Krishna is showing his cosmic form, what is happening? What is happening there? That is what is now being described by Arjuna. Earlier he described his form, this cosmic form. Now he is describing the surroundings, what is happening when Sri Krishna is showing this form. And people are all afraid and people are running helter-skelter. Someone is running here, someone is running there. Some people are afraid, some people are praising hymns, praising Lord Krishna, Sri Krishna. They are singing hymns, etc. So different things, what are happening, those things that are happening are being described by Arjuna here. He says, Dhyava prithiviyor idamantaram hi vyaptam tvayekena dishascha sarvaha drishtvad rupam ugram tavedam lokatrayam pravyathitam mahatman. He says Mahatman, Mahatman means one who has great souled one. Dhyava prithivyoho. Dhyava prithivyoho means heaven and earth. Idam, this, antaram, space in between. So this space in between heaven and earth. Ekena, alone, tvaya, by you, he, indeed, vyaptam, are filled. Sarvaha dishaha, all directions. Cha, and tava, your adbhutam, beautiful, wonderful. Idam, this, ugram, awful, rupam, form, drishtva, having seen, lokatrayam, the three worlds, pravyathitam. So, what is being told? O great souled one, between heaven and earth, the space between heaven and earth, and all the directions have been filled by you, ekena tvaya, by you alone. All the directions have been filled by you alone. And having seen this, that means your form is such a vast form that it has filled the space between heaven and earth. It has filled. And Arjuna is saying it has filled. But even in heaven and in earth, no one can find out the boundary of your form, the outer limits of your form. No one can find out. So, but what do we see? We see that the space between earth and heaven has been filled with your forms. And wherever we see, it is only your form. Vyaptam sarvaha dishaha. All directions have been filled. And it is adbhutam and also ugram. This is marvelous because such a thing has not been seen ever. Marvelous, but at the same terrific, terrible, because it is creating fear in people. Lokatrayam pravyathitam. And seeing this, all the three worlds, that is earth and the nether worlds, Patala and Swarga, heaven, all that has become pravyathitam. Means prakarsha rupena vyathitam, means they have become, they are pained. Vyatha means pain actually. They are trembling with fear. They are trembling with fear. So this cosmic form, it is difficult to digest. Cosmic form, it is difficult to, it is a new thing, a novel thing. We have not seen this before. So it is wonderful. We feel wonderful. Wow, it's a new thing. But at the same time, it is very difficult to digest. It's very difficult to digest and it is so frightening. So that is why everyone, these three worlds, everyone is trembling with fear. They are trembling with fear. And what is happening there? Again, he is explaining. So now Arjuna will give graphic description of what is happening upon the manifestation of this cosmic form. And the description itself is terrifying. So, how he would have seen or other people would have seen the cosmic form is anybody's guess. So, the description itself is terrifying. He says, Amihi tvam sura sangha vishanti kechid bhitaha pranjalayo घृणन्ति स्वस्ति त्युक्त्वा महर्षि सिद्ध संगाः स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः. He says, Ami, these sura sangaha, groups of gods, deva. Sura means deva or gods. So these groups of gods, he indeed, tvam vishanti, are entering, vishanti, tvam, in you. So these groups of gods are entering into you. Into you means in your mouth. They are entering inside you. Kechid bhitaha, and some of these gods, they are in fear. Pranjalayaha. Pranjalayaha means joint palms like this. Grinanti. They are grinanti. They are praising you. They are praising you. Maharshi Siddha Sangaha, and some Sangha or group of Rishi and Siddha. Siddha means a person who has become perfected one's mind and sense organs. That person is Siddha. And Rishi is a person who has seen the mantras. So all these people, they are Swasti. Swasti means may everything be well. Like all is well. All is well. Like that, may it be well. Swasti means let it be well. Let it be well. So, iti, thus, uktva, saying, pushkalabihi, stutibihi tvam suvanti. Pushkalabihi means wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful praises. Stutibihi, hymns in praise. Tvam, you, stuvanti, are praising. So, what is happening? Many groups of gods are entering into you. And then some people are afraid and they are joining hands and they are praising you. Why praising? To get rid of you. They are afraid. So, oh, please protect us, like that. Maharshi Siddha Sangha. And also groups of rishis and siddhas, they are saying Swasti. Swasti, let everything be all right, everything be well. And they are doing lot of stuti, pushkalabhihi, just like flowers. They are doing stuti, wonderful, wonderful stuti. Stuti means praise, hymns in praise, stuvanti, they are praising you. And what is happening? Rudraditya vasavo yecha sadhya vishveshvinau marutas choshma pascha Gandharva Yaksha Surasiddha Sangha Vikshante Tvam Vismitaschaiva Sarve. Different people, they are all wonderstruck seeing this phenomenon of cosmic form of yours, which is filling whatever we see. Whichever direction we see, you are filling that direction. What is that? Rudra Aditya, Rudras. There are different beings called Rudras, and there are different beings called Adityas. Then Vasavaha, Vasus, and then Ye, those that Cha, and Sadhyaha. So there are some people called Sadhyas, not people, some divine beings called Sadhyas. Then Vishve, Vishve Devaha, Vishwadeva, Ashwinav, two Ashwin brothers. Then Marutaha, Maruts, and Ushmapaha. Ushmapaha means, Ushmapas means Pitru, one's ancestors. Then, and Gandharva Yaksha Surasiddha Sangaha. Groups of Gandharvas. They are different kind of divine beings. Usually, they perform dance, music, etc. So they are artist gods. Yakshaha, Asuraha, Siddhaha, Sarve, all have Vismitaha eva. They are quite surprised, quite wonderstruck with what is happening. Tvam, and they, you, cha, and vikshante, looking at you. So this Rudra, Aditya, Vasu, Sadhyaha, Vishvedevaha, Ashwin brothers, then Marutaha, Ushmapaha, then Gandharva, Yaksha, Asura, Siddha, all these people, Siddha, all these people are looking at you, wonderstruck. They are looking at you. What is happening? This great thing is happening. They are all wonderfully looking at you. Why are these people looking at the cosmic form of Sri Krishna or the Lord wonderfully? Because they have nothing to be afraid of. These people are all evolved souls, so they have nothing to be afraid of. So that is why they are looking with lot of astonishment, because such a thing has not happened before. Then Arjuna says, Rupam Mahatte Bahuvaktra Netram Mahabaho Bahu Bahurupadam Bahudaram Bahudamshtra Karalam Drishtva Lokaha Pravyathitaha Tathaham. So now he is describing the form of the cosmic form of Sri Krishna. He says Mahabaho, that means one who has mighty arms, one who has large arms. Mahabaho, Bahuvaktra Netram. You have many mouths, Vaktra, many mouths and Netram, eyes, Bahuvatra Netram. Bahu Bahu Rupadam. So you have Bahu, Bahu, Uru, Padam. So you have Bahu, many Bahu, arms, and Uru, thighs, and Padam, feet. So you have so many forms all over, and every form has got huge arms, and huge feet, and huge thighs. Bahu Udaram. Bahu Udaram means stomach. So you have got many stomachs. Bahu means many. Bahu Damshtra Karalam. So you have Karalam. Karalam means fearful. Damshtra means teeth. That means like tusk. It has come out. Your teeth are very frightening. Quite frightening. Like the tusk of a tusker elephant. Bahu, you have many like that. Te, and you, Mahat, Rupam. Your form is immeasurable form. Your form is immeasurable form. Mahat. Drishtva, having seen, Lokaha, having seen, Lokaha, worlds, Pravyatitaha, are terrified. So having seen this Mahat Rupam, having seen this great Rupam, immeasurable Rupam, infinite form of yours, many Lokaha, many worlds have got terrified, and Aham Tatha, I have also got terrified. Arjuna says, now he tells the truth, he is afraid. He is afraid. This particular cosmic form of Sri Krishna, it cannot be seen, it cannot be digested. It is very difficult to digest. So he is also afraid. And why it is difficult? He says, Nabhasprisham Deepta Maneka Varnam Vyatananam Deepta Vishala Netram Drishtva hi Tvam Pravyathitantaratma Dhritim na Vindami Shamam na cha Vishnu. So Vishnu, oh Vishnu. Now he is not saying Krishna. He is saying, oh Vishnu, because the form is so cosmic and terrible and frightening. Then he is saying, oh Vishnu, because Krishna is Vishnu, avatara of Vishnu. So he says, oh Vishnu, Nabhasprisham. It is touching the sky. Your form is touching the sky. Means touching the sky means there is no boundary. We cannot see any boundary. It is touching the sky. Deeptam, and it is shining. Aneka Varnam, and it has got many colors, full of colors. Vyatananam, and Vyata Ananam, mouth. Mouths are vyata, means they are open, wide open. So everything is going like Arjuna told just now, that all gods are going inside the mouth. So Vyatananam, open mouth, and it is, everything is going inside. Deepta Vishala Netram, your eyes are burning, burning, eyes on fire, and they are large eyes which are burning like fire. And and Tvam hi drishtva, indeed, seeing you, Pravyatita Antaratma, Pravyatita, terrified, Antaratma means at heart, terrified. I am also terrified. Dhritim, patience, courage. Shamam, peace, mind in peace of mind. Cha na vindami, I am not finding. Vindami, finding. So I am not finding peace of mind and courage. So seeing your this form, which is so huge and so terrifying, I am terrified. My heart is trembling and I don't have any courage now. I don't have any patience now. Patience means I cannot bear it anymore. This form I cannot bear. Arjuna asked Sri Krishna, show me your form. Before that, Sri Krishna said, what is the use? He said, tell me how you are present in everywhere, everything of this universe. Then Sri Krishna said, what is the use of knowing so much? What is the use of knowing so much? Just take the main things. Then also Arjuna said, then he said, okay, what is the use of knowing so many forms? Just see that. Then also Arjuna said, no, I want to see your full form. And then when he is now seeing, he is losing patience, means he cannot take it anymore. And so he has lost peace, means he has become peaceless, he has become restless. Then he says, Damshtra karalani chatai mukhani, drishtvaiva kalan alasannibhani, disho na jane, na labhecha sharma, prasida devesha jagannivasa. Devesha means Deva Isha, Lord of Devas. Damshtra karalani. So your damshtra or teeth or tusk are karalani. They are fearful. Kala anala sannibhani. So your teeth, your form is like fire of pralaya. When the whole world will be destroyed, that is pralaya. So your teeth is like that. Your form is like that. It is full of fire, just as though it will destroy the entire world. And te mukhani, your mouths, drishtva eva, having seen, dishaha, the four directions or the directions, na jane, I don't know, sharma, peace, nacha labhe, I don't get labhe, I don't get, jagan nivasa prasida. Oh, Jagan Nivasa, Jagat Nivasa means the whole abode of the universe. Means Jagat Nivasa means the place where universe resides. Universe resides in God. God is greater than universe. Universe resides in God. God is greater than the universe. So Prasida, have mercy. Have mercy. It is very difficult to see this form. So have mercy. And I cannot understand different directions means what? I am unable, wherever I see this form. So I don't know which direction is east, which is west, which is north, which is south, because everywhere only this form is there. Disham na jane. I am unable to. And I am not getting any peace. I am becoming restless. I am getting afraid. So please proceed. Please have peace on me. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.